Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and starting a calibration cycle to reset battery reporting. Charge the iPhone to 100% with an original or certified charger and make a quick backup so you can restore if needed. Once done, disable non-essential features that skew measurements like background app refresh. Keep Wi-Fi on if you'll download updates. Now use the phone until it shuts off naturally to complete the first discharge. This improves the battery meter accuracy and sets the stage. You continue by performing a controlled deep discharge, then a full, uninterrupted charge to recalibrate the battery management system. After the phone shuts down, let it sit off for a few hours to let the cell voltage settle. This prevents false readings. Then charge uninterrupted to 100%. Make sure you keep it off or in airplane mode to avoid background drains. Once at 100%, keep charging for another 1 to 2 hours. This helps the charging circuit balance the cells and improve reported capacity. You finish by restoring your preferred settings and verifying the improvement. Restore your backup if any app settings were lost. Then go to Settings, Battery Health to confirm the maximum capacity and peak performance capability. Make sure to use the phone for a couple of days to validate real-world gains. Monitor screen-on time and standby drain. If the percentage stays low or the phone dies unexpectedly, consider a genuine battery replacement or a professional diagnostic. That single step is often the only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.